So, what are some of the negative emotions that we experience on day-to-day basis? Maybe anger, maybe fear, maybe self-doubt, maybe anxiety, maybe stress, maybe depression. Now, what are all these? These all are emotions, okay? The emotions that humans experience. But is there any way to manage them? Or, emotions can run you, or you can take it in your control and improve your performance. Okay, so let me tell you what happens when you are at the mercy of your own emotions. See, when you are at the mercy of your own emotions, it drastically reduces your productivity, because it's like, if you're stressed, I mean, how can you work smartly if you're stressed? If you're depressed, how can you produce that output that you want to do, right? So in any negative situation, it's like a blur, it's blurred. Things are not really clear. It just, you're not able to focus on things around it. And because of that, what happens, you're not able to do the work that you're supposed to do. You're not able to pay the attention to the things that you need to pay attention to, and most important, you are just not where you should be, and you're losing on your lot of time, your energy, which just is going in drain. Hence, it is very important that you step into your own power and manage your emotions rather than being at the mercy of it. Okay, so now let me tell you a secret why it happens that, it's humans, it's very easy for us to get into that negative zone. Well, there is a logical reason behind it, and let me tell you that secret. The secret is, your mind, जो हमारा mind है, it's made in a way that it is like a worried mother. Hence, for us, it is very easy to think negatively rather than positively. And that is the reason that it's very easy to, just get into the negative spiral of emotions. So it is not our fault. It is how your brain is designed. But what do you do about it then? How you can manage it? That is the key that, you need to learn more. Okay, so the first thing in order for you to, manage your emotions is, emotion is energy in motion. Okay. So if there's an emotion I'm experiencing, like let's say I'm angry, okay, that's a negative emotion, right? I can feel that anger in my body, right? So the best way to one of the best way to manage your emotion is through your body. How do you do that? Well, very simple. Change, like wherever you're sitting, just change your moves. Start moving around. Just dance around. Do something with your body. Just change it immediately as you're going to do it. It's going to shift your energy, and it's going to shift your energy means it's going to shift your emotions, right? So let's say you're extremely angry, and you're frustrated, and in just 5 minutes you're supposed to go and attend a meeting. What do? I mean, if you go in the same state, you're going to spoil the presentation, right? But what if you just move around, just jump around, maybe do something like that, move your body in a way that you will enjoy moving it. So what happens is, you're using your physiology to change your emotions, and when you do that, it instantly changes your mood, and you can then focus on the things that really matter. So this is one of the way wherein you can use your body to change your emotion, which is called physiology, and you can use it in your own way. Like maybe I personally like to dance, or maybe just dance around, or maybe just do like this. That's also cool, or like this, whatever, just movement is important. Any kind of movement is important. It's that simple, no rocket science. And second thing you can do is managing your emotions externally. So this was internally, wherein you're using your body. In externally, what you do is, you do something that just kicks you. Maybe talking to someone special, maybe going for a walk, right? Because nature also has property to healing. Maybe just listening to your favorite music, maybe watching that movie. So when you do that, again, the energy in motion, that is emotion, just shifts. Okay, so these are the top two ways, guys, of managing your emotions. Apart from this, let me give you a bonus and an add-on tip that can really help you manage your any negative emotion and get you in that zone. So most of the time, so I've been doing personal sessions with entrepreneurs, and I've been, working with entrepreneurs from last 1.5 years. And one of the things, I'll tell you, most of these emotions that, you experience, they are actually not real, okay? They are just stories in your head, which may not be fact, okay? So what happens is, your brain, because it's made like a worried mother, so there is a story in your mind, oh my God, this can happen, this may happen. And you have just thought worst of the situation, which in reality does not exist. So the best way for you is to manage your emotion is to ask yourself, is this story going in my mind or is it something real happening? Because if it is a story, then it's mind which is playing tricks on you. It is not in reality, right? Unnecessary, you're getting worried about something that just doesn't exist. Okay. But at the same time, like say I was speaking to, I was speaking to one-on-one session I was recently taking, and I said, what is it? What are you scared of? And he said, what if I'll be fired? Okay, now he is just scared that he may be fired. In reality, he's working in his company, things are pretty fine, and he has fine relationship with his manager. He has a story in his mind, he may also get fired. Now ultimately it is not reality. Reality, just see reality as it is. So in reality, things are going fine for him. His boss has pretty okay relationship with him, but in his mind, he has just thought company may throw him out. Now, because of that, this guy was worried and anxious for no reason. So the golden rule over here is ask yourself, is this reality? Is it factual? Or it is a story in my mind? This is $1 million question, guys. And if you ask these questions from yourself, this one question from yourself, oh my god, your 80% of your worries and stress is gone for the rest of your life. Okay, so thank you so much guys for watching. If you're new to this channel, okay, subscribe to this channel and click on the notification icon. Also, I help entrepreneurs and business owners work on the skills of top 5%. So if you're somebody who's an entrepreneur or business owner, you can check out my online academy. Also, you may like to apply for my personal sessions. So thank you so much guys again, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.